A very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Re the Explorer. I am a PhD student in Switzerland. Now, ever wondered how PhD students manage to read mountains of text quickly and efficiently? Stay tuned to uncover their secrets. If you are in a PhD program or thinking about it, then this video is for you. Mastering the art of reading is one skill that can bring about a huge breakthrough in your PhD journey. But the reality is that we all at times get lost in stuff we want to read and not really stuff we should read, hence derailing off track. There are 3 types of reading every student should master: reading for class, reading for retention, and reading for research. When reading for class, focus on understanding the main arguments and key points. This will help you participate in discussions and complete assignments effectively. Using a note-taking app or software such as Notion can revolutionize your study habits. It allows you to organize your notes, track your progress, and access everything in one place. But you can also take notes traditionally by noting down in a notebook. You should, however, follow a certain logic to organize your notes. To read for retention, engage with the material actively. Highlight important sections, summarize in your own words, and ask questions as you go. Diligent note-taking is crucial for academic success. Capture essential information, but also make connections between different concepts. Reading an academic article requires a strategic approach. Skim the abstract, introduction, and conclusion first to get a sense of the main ideas. If you lack time for reading, read the abstract, results, and the discussion sections. It might also be necessary to skim through the author's conclusions for a more comprehensive understanding. Ideally, all parts of a manuscript are important, but certain trade-offs are necessary. When tackling a book, break it down into manageable sections. Take notes on each chapter and reflect on how it contributes to the overall argument. Do reflect on your notes after every chapter and avoid running through a book like a marathon. For research, dive deep into the literature. Identify key studies, understand their methodologies, and evaluate their findings critically. You may use AI tools to assist you identify and organize key literature in your field. These may include, but not limited to, Elicit, Litmaps, Jenny AI, etc. Be sure to follow your organization's guidelines regarding the use of AI in research. Unlock the power of efficient reading and note-taking to excel in your academic journey. Embrace these strategies and watch your productivity soar. If you like this video, please comment in the comments section, subscribe and like the video so that you don't miss such content in the future. See you in the next video at Re the Explorer Academy.